Okay. It's up.
Yeah.
This is
Okay, what we're doing is we're inspecting the storm drain here in Katy, behind the Walgreens, going toward the Kroger kiosk. This is storm drain stuff. Sir? Yes, I am. Okay, so you can go ahead and get started.
Okay.
I've got the footage set and everything. 6-inch pipe. A small amount of water in it to be expected. It's on grade. That's good because the water you saw was from a screen that we dropped down in the bottom of this box. We're going back in toward the retention pond where all the pipes are. Everything appears to be on grade. Clean and clear. You're 22 feet so far.
Can you get the T yet?
It's very good.
Alright, that's good grade.
Very good grade.
See it?
Going to a joint of pipe at 30 feet. A little bit further. And there you are. You're into the pond itself right there. About 35 feet really. It's clean as a whistle.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Leroy, I can pull it back. All right, we're going to stop here. Very good.
Yes, sir.